Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Education with Sri Vidya. In this video, we'll discuss about few key points about a problem solving. Why do the problem exist? What is a problem? A problem is a doubt. So when the teacher is explaining to the student, we get some doubts. So student gets some doubts regarding the explanation of a teacher. So that is called a doubt. So if this doubt has been clarified, then that is called as problem solving. So problem solving, a doubtful matter which requires a solution. So a doubtful matter, whenever we get doubts, that has to be clarified, with the solution. So when we get the solution, that problem is going to be solved. This is called as problem solving, or we can say that something hard we can understand, something hard to understand, we can say that. These problems have two features in common. The first one is a goal and the second one is barriers. So let us discuss in detail with these two. So goal may be anything. We wish to achieve. So it may be anything. Suppose if you are feeling hungry, then your goal is probably to eat something. So that is your main goal. You want to eat something, that is your goal at that time. So the next best example, if you are the CEO of the best company, one of the company, so what is your motto? Your goal is to spread the organization. So being a CEO of the organization, you want to spread the branches of the company in different areas, right? This will become your main goal over here, right? Being a manager, suppose you are a manager, so you want to make your subordinates to work properly. That is your motto. The second one is barriers. This problem solving involves overcoming of these barriers. So if there are no barriers, then there will be no problem. We can achieve our goal successfully. Everybody has the cognitive blocks. That means the humans have the cognitive level of thinking. We have the cognitive blocks. That means cognitive blocks deal with emotional level, intellectual level, expressive, environmental, cultural and perceptual. So these are the inner feeling of our mind, human mind. So these are nothing but the barriers. If these barriers have been overcome, then the problem will be solved. So for example, if you are feeling hungry, your goal is to eat. Suppose if there is no food, you make a trip to a supermarket by removing the barriers, and thus the problem will be solved. So this is what the problem solving is. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.